How's it going? We got about 3 inches of snow overnight, and now it's freezing rain, and the wind keeps blowing. You can hear the ice on the tops of the trees. When the trees hit each other, the sound of the ice crackling, hitting each other really pops out. It's been a warm January, and this hit last night, and you can see how the day pans out. They're calling it's like 25 degrees out, 26 degrees out, and it's freezing rain. It's rain, so I'm surprised it's not turned into snow, being how cold it is. It's really not that bad out. I don't mind the cold, but the weather is going to be a little dicey today, so everyone's probably out driving carefully, as they should be. I don't know. If you're interested, I do keep weather records every day. If you go to Blogger on Google, Ohio Weather Blog, it's for my local area. So if you're in north central, northeast, Holmes County, Wayne County, Stark County area, be something to check out, maybe just to get an idea. You can kind of use that for maple season too, get an idea on how the weather patterns are looking for tapping trees. I started it back in 2018, August 2018, so we've got a good solid year and a half of some data, temperature data and precipitation, but you can see some of the events on there. We're going to ride it out. What's it doing in your neck of the woods? Cheers.